Hi, this cat is called reagent formula. What we have to do is convert a reagent, and we have a function that takes a list of integers as an argument, and those integers represent the materials from 1 till 8, and then we have the rules of convect, where we have to adhere to. Following those rules, we have to determine if a formula is valid or not. Let's go. So first of all, let's do something different. Let's create a string, which equals hello. And let's find out if the character h is in the string. H in string. And that should return a Boolean value. True. And is the a in there? Well, no. So it will return false. And yeah, the same principle we have to apply for formulas to determine if this formula is valid or not. What do I mean by that? Well, let's say the following. Material 1 and material 2 cannot be selected at the same time. That happens here. So let's put that in. We have to do the following. 1 in formula, true. And 2 in formula, true. And that is the condition that we have to use. The condition is met, so we have to return false. So let's define a condition. If this condition is met, colon, then we return false. There we go. And the second requirement is actually the same, but it applies to material 3 and 4. So let's copy this. And let's test it out immediately. 3 and 4 are both in the formula now, so it returns false. Okay. Then the next condition, 5 and 6 must be selected at the same time. Okay. So if 5 is in the formula and 6 not in the formula, then we have to return false. So let's add 5 here, and 6 is not in the formula, then we get false. Let's comment this out, by the way, while we test. And the other way around applies the same. If 6 in the formula, but 5 is not in the formula, then we have to return false as well. So let's replace 5 by the 6, false. Okay. And then we have the last condition, material 7 or 8 must be selected. So if 7 not in formula and 8 not in formula, then we have to return false as well. So let's remove the 7 here. False. And of course, in all the other cases, we just return true by default. Let's have a look here. This should return true. Yeah. Okay, let's test it out. There we go. Hope this has been useful and you learned something from it. And I thank you for watching. See you in the next one.